Hey guys, Tim and Shauna from Punk Rope. How are you doing? It's been a little while. We're here to do a video on jump rope speed, but not so much as far as helping you get faster, but more in terms of helping you pace your jumps. And Shauna's going to show you 4 different tempos, and we're going to use a metronome. So if you don't have a metronome at home, there's probably apps for your smartphone, or you can get one on your computer. You just want to make sure it's loud enough that you can hear it. I'm just going to turn this on so you get an idea of, that's kind of what it sounds like. Okay, bump, 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 bump. And musicians use them, and singers. And so anyway, jump rope speed's important because it correlates with intensity. And if you're interested in calorie burning, it also correlates with that. And I'll give you some examples once we get going. But Shauna's going to start with a speed of 120 revolutions per minute. So I'm going to start the metronome. Hopefully she can hear it. And this would be a speed typical of a beginning jumper, basic bounce. So 2 feet, not alternating feet, and not double bouncing. Okay, so double bouncing would be that little hop in between, and that's a significant obstacle to speed. So we're not gonna do that. But here you got 120. Bump, 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 bump. And rest. Good. So 120 revolutions per minute is a comfortable pace for most people. And I'm not gonna.
Maybe a little slow.
So it's a little slow, but if you're a beginning jumper, you know, it might be a good place to start. And at Shauna's weight, which I'm not going to reveal, that would be burning roughly 10 calories per minute. So if for some miracle you were able to jump for an hour, that would be 600 calories if you were Shauna's size, but there's other factors involved there. We're gonna bump that pace up to 144 revolutions per minute, which is still probably a little, I don't know, Shauna, is that slower than your regular pace, or varies?
Slower than my regular pace, but I jump low. I'm lazy.
She's efficient.
Fast, but I turn fast. So it's a little slower than my just natural speed.
Okay.
But I think it would be average for people.
Yeah, I think it would be.
It has to do with getting turning speed. So.
Exactly. So you're going to have to develop that turning skill. But this is just to give you an idea. So this is going to be 144. And rest. Awesome. So considerably faster than the previous tempo, 24 revolutions per minute faster, which means 24 more jumps. So remember, when we're talking revolutions per minute, that's foot contacts when you're doing basic bounce. So just quick math, let's say you were doing that first tempo, which is 120 revolutions per minute. So that's 120 jumps in a minute. So that means, guys, if you jump 10 minutes, it's 1,200 landings. So just something to keep in mind when you're coming into this new, or with injuries, or biomechanical challenges, etc. So we're going to jump this up now to 168. So another 24 revolutions per minute faster than the previous tempo and 48 faster than the first one. So this is significantly faster, not anywhere near Shana's capacity, but we're getting into a pretty quick tempo here. Okay guys, ready and go. And rest. Good. Excellent. So we don't even have a caloric expenditure number for that speed. The one previous was about 11 calories a minute. So, but now this is much faster. But you could see Shana was able to maintain that without too much difficulty. Again, it's all about the low jumps and the tight circles. And then we're just going to show you one last one. Now again, this really only makes sense if you have a metronome and you start to practice with it. We always say that if you want to get double unders, you should be aiming for a basic bounce speed of 180 revolutions per minute. This is going to be 184 because the metronome doesn't allow us to do 180, but this is 184. This is quite fast. Again, not quite Shana's capacity, but we're getting there. She's probably in the low 200 range when she's going all out. But 184 revolutions per minute. Ready and go. And recover. Nice. Awesome. So that's a really brisk pace. And if you were able to do that, that means your jumps are low, your turns are tight, and that transfers really nicely to double unders, assuming you can maintain that low jump height and good turning mechanics.
Except when you do the double unders, then look at our double under videos. You jump higher.
Yeah, of course, there's a bunch of things that change, and we do have a 10-part series. So, but we just wanted to, yeah, I just wanted to give you some idea of different speeds in real time, so you could see them and see how they're distinguished from one another, and just the idea of using a metronome to help you with your pacing. And there might be reasons why you would jump faster or slower depending on the rope you're using or the step you're doing or how you're feeling that particular day. I hope you found that helpful. Hit us up if you have any questions. Drop a comment in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel. Like us. Visit us at punkrope.com. All that good stuff. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks, guys.